I'm joined at the moment by Elvis, my basset hound, who will be helping us with this very straightforward but really effective practice. We use this practice, which is called 5-4-3-2-1 or 5 senses mindfulness practice, a lot in the mental health world. And we can use it with clients, whether they're kids, teens, or adults. We can use it with our own kiddos or even for ourselves, especially when we or someone we love or someone we're working with feels overwhelmed, anxious, or just really needs to ground, become present in the here and now, and is having a hard time doing so. So we use our physical surroundings to help us get there. So in yoga therapy, this is what we consider a physical layer practice. In embodied youth training, we have colored each of the 5 layers of our human experience to just differentiate and help us remember them. And so in our tradition, we consider this physical layer the red body, because it really helps us get grounded in and aware of our physical existence. So let's do this practice together. So I'm going to role model the entire practice for you, and which is short, and then you'll have a chance to do it on your own, and I'll lead you through. 5 is going to be 5 things we see. 4 is 4 things we feel. 3 is 3 things we hear. 2 is 2 things we smell. And 1 is either something you love, if you don't have something, a snack or a drink in front of you, or it could be taste if you do have a snack or a drink in front of you. So I'll role model for you and then you get to try it. So right now, as I look around, 5 things I see are my file cabinet, my dog. I can see a pillow, a white pillow in the background of my screen. I can see the tripod that this video is playing on, and I can see my desk. So 4 things I feel. I feel my dog's paw. He's very helpful today. I can feel the shininess of, sort of the slipperiness of my leggings. I can feel the hairband in my hair, and I can feel the warm air coming from my heater. 3 things I hear are my own voice, my dog breathing, and I can kind of hear the air in the vent as the heat kicks on. 2 things I smell are the candle I just blew out, and unfortunately, my canine. And 1 thing I love is Elvis, my basset hound. So now I'll help you through this practice, and we'll put up some slides to remind you. So 5, what are 5 things right now that you see? You can name them out loud, you can write them down, or you can just note them to yourself. What are 4 things that you feel? And it could be your clothes, it could be what you're sitting on. Again, it could be the temperature of the air. But what are 4 things that you can feel kinesthetically? Now, what are 3 things you can hear? I know this one is hard, but what are 2 things you can smell? It could even be your own hairspray or shampoo or body wash. 2 things that you can smell. even if they're really faint. And then last but not least, what's one thing you love? Or if you have a drink or a snack in front of you, one thing you can taste. All right. Well, Elvis and I have really enjoyed our time doing this practice with you. It's so easy to do. You can do it anywhere. It helps you get grounded, helps you come into the present moment, and it's really fun to do with someone. So try it the next time you're working with a client or you're having a hard day and you need some help and you want to do it with a friend, or you can do it on your own or with your pet. And we'll see you next time. Namaste.